Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola G71, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to get one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. You can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of those things, you can begin. So I'm gonna take off the case right here. And the tray looks to be on the left side of the phone, as you can see right over here. So once you find it, push the pin in into the hole right here. As you will see, the tray pops out. And when you take it out, you actually have space for only 2 different SIM cards and no SD card. So I guess that was a lie, what I said. Anyway, I'm gonna occupy one of the slots right here. Doesn't matter which one you occupy, you can use one or the other or both. From there, insert it back into the device, and it should start working right away. Give it a second, and there we go. So let's confirm the pin for my SIM card, and there we go. As you can see, it's now working. So that is how you insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.